Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution Code. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this video is a 16 part bar chart display number of user registration by month in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is available inside this Jump folder, inside this htdoc folder, inside this available this project, and this inside this open this cmd command prompt. This my directory. Let's PSP artisan server and enter this project. Inside this URL is a copy and paste here. This hit browser successfully working good, and this my localhost PSP my admin already opened this database name inside this available user table. Click this user, and this URL is a admin dashboard. Not working, this logout. Let's login. This admin login is a enter admin login. The successfully admin login is available screen, and copy this and password 123456789. This password, and click this login, and successfully this user chart is available. Monthly sales means user monthly is a registration step by step sheet. This is a static value. Let's same here copy, and this inside this available this route inside this web.php inside this available admin dashboard. This URL is available admin dashboard. Let's admin controller open inside this admin dashboard. Admin controller. This admin controller is available inside this admin dashboard. This function is available. This file is available. Let's echo and die save file and refresh this page. Successfully available string. Let's remove successfully available inside this admin index. Let's resource view admin inside this index. This index is available. Let's this file is open index file. This growth, this available monthly sales. Let's monthly refresh this page. Die is remove already. This monthly sales. Let's monthly users. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully monthly users is available. This registration, this 1 year chart, this January, February, March, April, this chart is available. This line is not used. Let's remove this line, and this not used. Let's remove this not used. Drop down, click this drop down. Inside this click this drop down. Successfully remove this drop down. This line is not used. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully remove this inside this icon, and inside this line is remove. Good. And this pie chart, this is available. This remove and this otherwise comment, and save file and refresh this automatically hide. And successfully this is hide, and this file is a save file. Refresh this page. Successfully show. This successfully show, and this file is available. This open this body inside this login this admin dashboard. Open this admin dashboard. This inside this user, inside this not only admin, inside this user admin dashboard. Inside this first of all this new start. Let's new script is implementation @ yield the same name is a script. Copy, and this script is start. Successfully this set. The script is set this admin dashboard. Save file, and this index blade PSP file open, and last is a set this last. This section is a start. This new section start. The script name is the same name is implement in this copy same name script and paste here, and this end section, and inside this implementation script. Let's open this file, this admin underscore dark.js, this asset. Let's open this asset. Public inside this asset inside this js inside this dark underscore js, dashboard dark underscore js. This file is open. This file open. Same here, name is inside this include. This name is a copy, same name is a copy. This growth, this name is a copy, same name copy, and this dark.js inside this find this name successfully available. Same is a cut inside this copy, and paste here, and this paste here. This not paste, save file. This close this, not use admin dashboard. This index file is open inside this paste here. This paste successfully paste. Let's set this file, save is a copy, this name is a copy, and find this successfully inside this available. Let's inside this extra is a this color is a set, this color is a not a add, less color is a set, this color is a copy, same name is a colors is a implement inside this color is a available. This same is a color, and this font same, this copy, and inside this paste here. This top bar is a paste. Successfully paste, and this start inside this close. Last is a close. This only single inside this close. This close. Successfully close. Good working. This close. This start and this close. This successfully working set, and this name is a change. Name is a change. Refresh this page. Good working. Successfully good working as it is, and this name change. Name. This name is available inside this name, and this monthly user chart, not a sales chart. User chart. Save file and refresh this page, and this automatically hide. Successfully hide is not available. This good working. This is a hide. Same name is a copy. This is hide. Same name is a copy. This name, and last year the last inside this paste, and this name change this user, and this last is available inside this last. Save file in this user. Save file and refresh this page. Chart is available. This chart is successfully working. Find this good working. Monthly wise data is set inside this. First of all, this open inside this table is available. This table name is the user table. This inside this registration lost of user, and this user is a monthly is a created date wise is available. This January, this June, and this March, and this lost of this available April. Inside this data, this March number is available. This February, this January. This is a successfully implementation step by step. Let's implement. And first of all, this user, this minimum is not used, and this table name is a user. Copy same name is a copy. Inside this already include. Let's step by step. This inside this include. First of all, new variable create user is equal to this paste here. Same name is a paste. Select row. Select row, and first of all this count id is count. Date set. Date format is a set, and this date format, and this column name is available. This column name, this created date, the same name is a copy. Then created date is a copy. This field name is copy, and paste here inside this successfully paste, and this format is a change y and month. Only y and month is a set. Successfully y and month is a set. This remove this is month. Let's group by. Group by is a month, not a group by is a month. Month wise and order by month. ASC get and save file. Less variable is a set. First of all, this variable inside this pickup and this data, new data, $data month, same name is a copy months. This variable name says this month, this only month, and this month is equal to this user copy, same name is user variable copy, and paste here in this puck, and this month second is a year, means count. This value is a count. Successfully count. This only month count, and this inside this SS is implement, not a sampling is a issue. The same copy this data is a copy and paste here. In save file, inside this not a sense. This refresh this page as it is, not a sense. This is a as it is. Less dynamic is a data is a implementation. Please writing this path all, and this index file is open. Please save step by step this all writing. This step by step inside this all implementation. This name is a sense. Please writing this name all good. Let's first of all this start. This step by step is a check, and this implementation dynamic value is a set. This series, let's series check this series. This sales name is a user's name, and this remove not use this JSON in this dollar count, and this successfully set, and this not use this date is a remove. Inside this name is a dynamic set $JSON month, $month. This month is already include. First of all this count, second is a month. Save file, successfully set this month, and JSON is a count. Let's refresh this page. Successfully good, and this is a dynamic value is a set. This let's refresh. Inside this month is a sense. This month is a 7 is a implement, not available. Let's 7 month is a set. Let's next month is a 7. Let's 7 it. This month is a 7. Let's click this 7 month is a set. Successfully 7 month is a implement. Let's refresh this page 1 2 3, and this 7 month is not available. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this available 7 month. June, July, June not available, July is available. Good working. January, February, March, April, May, June, and July successfully available. This May is available, only 9 user is available. May means 9 user. This March means only 1 user. February 1, January 2 user. Let's check this. January is 2 user. First this January 1, and this let's January this only 2 user is available. Good working. This February 1, let's check this 2 month. This February is only 1 record is available. This February 2 month. Let's check this February. This is 1 user is available. This only 1. this inside this available 1 February, March, and this is a 9. This May is a 9 user is available. This May, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 9 only, total 9 user is available. This is a successfully simple is a work. This start is a compulsory is a done. This April is not available, June is not available, this month is available, this step by step month is a implementation automatically. This is a successfully set. This color wise is successfully set. Please writing this path. This only simple only add this name and this name and this number of user. This sense number of user inside this name is a sense number of user. Successfully number of user is a successfully set. Good working. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website error solution. Inside this Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. Inside this lost of project is available. Any new website development, so please contact. And this my channel error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this social media link is available, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub. Please follow this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.